Cool. So I'm super excited about this. I bought these $8. These are $8. Come with the pulleys, come with the rope, come with these other pulleys right here from Harbor Freight to lift the bicycles up onto the ceiling. So I'm gonna have one like right here and then another right here, and then you can just put the rope on the pegboard. So I'm so excited to get these things off the ground. What I'm going to do is I have this 2x6 that I'm going to mount the pulleys on, and then the joists in here run like this. So I got some lag bolts, and I'm going to basically lag, I don't know, 3 or 4 lags across 2 joists probably. Yeah, I always screw shit like this up, so I just drill way too many holes, so let's hope I don't. Turn on some fuses. let me show you how this goes. So, I mean, hopefully you saw there. Works pretty damn good for $8, literally $7.99 plus $2 for the lags. Okay, so this, I mean, the rope is kind of jank, but we'll see how long it lasts. So how this works is you basically thread it through the top there and then back through here. So you go over that one or under that one and then over this second metal one, in between here and then through the hole. So that was the part the instructions did not explain very well, but yeah, I think this is rad. Those 2 lags work perfect. I mean, it's not coming down at all. Thought I was gonna need 4, but I'm not hanging like, I don't know, people from there. So I'm going to add the other one now and might offset it just a little bit so that you have the, in fact, I think that's definitely what I'm gonna do. So that you have the handlebars like uneven. That going. Come on. That's freaking sick. Put those up. I definitely measured wrong. Somehow. Yeah, they needed to be 26 inches apart and I only made them like 14. I realize where I messed up now, but it's not so bad. I mean, yeah, you just go like that. It's all good. Seem pretty stable. Dude, $8 each, are you kidding me? And then step back. Everything's up nice and tidy. Might have to do some for the kids' bikes when that happens, right up there, but hell yeah. Super stoked on that. That's great. That's great. $8, Harbor Freight. Pick it up.